this is the packaging that the wig comes in. It comes with a black elastic band as well as a brown wig cap to go under your wig. And this is what the hair looks like straight out of the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful, okay? And again, this is a frontal lace wig, but it does have a deep parting space in the middle, which is 6 inches. I absolutely love the construction of the inside of the wig because you get so much parting space. It has baby hairs and it is pre-plucked. It has 4 combs and elastic band at the bottom. So your wig is going to be secure on that head, okay? So I did go ahead and wash the unit as well as just at my parting space, and this is what the wig looks like. I did go and add a little bit of foundation to the lace part in the front instead of bleaching the knots. As you can see now, it does look like a loose wave. And I am applying the Got to Be Glued Invincible glue right in the front of my hairline, and then I'm going to apply another layer really quick, okay? And now I'm going to use the hair diagrams, the bold hold right there on the sides, because I feel like this holds down the tabs a little bit better. I don't have to worry about it flapping up during the day or anything like that. I like to just smooth it out a little bit so it's not just in one spot. Now I'm gonna apply the wig to my head, and as you're gonna see, it's gonna be like the quickest application ever. Like, it literally took me like 2 minutes to put this unit on, and I was completely done, and the wig stayed on all day. Okay, and I did go ahead and do my baby hairs while it was wet, so that's why it's set in there like that. And I love this technique because it takes out a lot of the work. I'm gonna use this powder and add it to the parting space just to make it look a little bit more like my complexion. You could skip this part. It really didn't need it, but I like it to look a little bit more defined. So that's why I added the powder. And now I'm just going to work on that baby hair. Again, I'm taking a little bit, the littlest amount of that glue, and I'm just applying it wherever I have the baby hair. And I'm just going to kind of like just tack it down a little bit, because it was kind of like real soft and just flying everywhere. So I just want to tack it down a little bit, give it a little bit of hold, and I am done. Like, just like that, I'm done. Completely done. And I think this wig is gorgeous, and it looks very, very natural. So I'm just checking it out. I'm just showing you what it looks like up close. I think it looks really good. Okay, you don't have to do a billion baby hairs. I literally just did 3. And I think it came out really nice. And look at the quality of this hair. I have no product on this hair at all. No leave-in conditioner, no oil, no nothing. And the luster on it is so healthy. And it looks so natural in my opinion. And look how deep that part is. Alright, let's get into the specs. So this is the 13x6 human hair lace front wig. And the unique feature about this unit is the frontal part actually has a 6-inch deep parting space. Okay, so that is amazing. As you can see, my part goes all the way back here. This is the loose wave texture, and it is 22 inches long, and it is 250% high density. It is in its natural color, and it does come with a pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. So I did not do any extra plucking to the unit at all. This is exactly how the hairline came, and I think they did a very, very good job. So I would definitely recommend that you get the pre-plucked. If there's another option, I would just go with the pre-plucked because it eliminates a lot of the work you would have to do. 22 inches. I'm going to show you how long it is on me. It is true 22 inches because this is how long it is on me. And yeah, it's like right under my boobs. And as you can see, when I first got the unit, it was like a really deep wave, but once I washed it, it definitely looks like loose wave. So as you can see, the waves are much looser than in the beginning of the video when I showed you how it looks straight out of the packaging. This company has been extremely professional, so I would definitely recommend them. This hair's quality, I could tell, is very different from like an AliExpress vendor. I know I keep saying that, but it is so different. You could tell this is high quality hair, and I just love it. Like, the luster on it is so beautiful. The hair is so soft. I'm not having issues with tangling or any issues with matting or any issues with shedding. This hair is just freaking bomb. Can't wait to see how this hair styles later down the line, because I know I'm gonna keep this unit because I really like the quality of it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you check out DOLAGO.com, and if you're interested in buying this unit, I will have my coupon code, which is Vanity10. That will be down on the bottom bar for you, just in case you want to come back to the video and you don't remember the coupon code. It will be down in the bottom bar, and I believe that will save you at least 10%. So I mean, that should be like at least the taxes, so that's a good thing. I would definitely recommend this brand, because when I say it was so easy for me to lay this unit down. Oh, let's get into products, because I didn't tell you what I used. So I didn't go in and bleach the knots or anything. The knots did not come bleached. I used my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, because this one isn't really my color and I don't like this foundation. So I usually use this on the inside of my caps when I have wigs like this. So with this wig, that's exactly what I did. So I put it on here, and then I stippled it out a little bit, and then I took this brush and I just dipped it and I just put it on the inside of the cap. I used the Got To Be Glued Invincible Styling Gel just right here, because that's the part that stays down, but when it comes to like the ear tabs, that's the part that doesn't stay down. So on this part of my unit, I used the Hair Diagram Bold Hold. This glue will keep your wig down, okay? If you want to use this all across your hairline, your wig will be down for at least a week if you don't use any oils around your hairline, okay? So that's a helpful tip for those of you who don't like to take your units off, but I actually take my units off every night. But I think that this hair is really beautiful, and I would highly recommend it. So of course I'm gonna have the links to DOLAGO.com down in the bottom bar for you to check it out, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.